Hello everyone, myself Abhijit Sinha and I am here with the explanation of the question paper of your half-yearly exam. So let's start. First of all, from question number 1, who wrote The Spirit of Laws? Montesquieu wrote The Spirit of Laws. Who was the ruler of Russia in 1914? Tsar Nicholas II. In which year Suez Canal opened? It was opened in 1869. Which is the longest river of India? It is Ganga. Ganga is the longest river of India. Some students have confusion with Ganga and Indus. So the length of Indus is more than Ganga, but 70% of water of river Indus flows in Pakistan. So the longest river of India is Ganga. Reign of Terror belonged to which ruler? It's Robert Maximilian Robespierre. What is Bastille? Bastille is a jail and also known as fort. What is Duma? The Parliament of Russia is known as Duma. Parliament of Russia is known as Duma. Write the size of India, that is 3.28 million square kilometer or 32,87,263 square kilometer. What is standard meridian of India? 82.5 degree east or 82 degree 30 minute east. Gulf of Kutch near which state? It is near to Gujarat. Next is question number 11. Robert Mugabe is the president of which country? Robert Mugabe is the president of Zimbabwe. Who issued legal frame order in Pakistan? In Pakistan, legal frame order was issued by General Pervez Musharraf. What is the full form of PRI? Institutional Revolutionary Party. Again, Institutional Revolutionary Party. What do you mean by apartheid? It is a racial discrimination on the basis of color of skin, in which black was ill treated and also indicated as inferior. Who was the leader of African National Congress? In South Africa, the leader of African National Congress was Nelson Mandela. Write the factor of production: land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. Write the example of non-farming activities. Non-farming activities, it is dairy farming, transport, teaching, lawyer, doctor, etc. Give an example of non-economic activities. Mother cook food for their children or father teach their children. What do you mean by primary activity? It includes forestry, fishing, mining, agriculture, etc. Example of tertiary activity: transport, teaching, banking, tailoring, doctor, lawyer, etc. Explain any three causes of French Revolution: social cause, political cause and economical cause. In social cause, society was divided into three states: clergy, nobility and third state. Political cause, ruler was despotic. It means Louis XVI was a despotic ruler. It is also a weak and inefficient ruler, lethargic. And economic cause, faulty financial policy and all the treasury remain emptied by the Louis XVI for spending their luxurious life. Next is question number 22. Explain the three conditions in Russia which leads Russian Revolution. It means write the causes of Russian Revolution. In Russia, the three causes are remain same: social condition, social cause, economical cause, and political cause. But in Russia, social condition, that the people were discriminated on the ground of inferior and superior. Next is political cause. The Tsar believe right of the king with divine. It means he believe in the divine right of the king, or he regarded himself as a representative of God. And economic cause, industries were in the hand of only few people, and land was captured or occupied by the big land owner. Next is question number 23. Why 82.5 degree or 82 degree 30 minutes is chosen as the standard meridian of India? Because it is almost the middle of the longitudinal extent of India, and accurately divided by time meridian, that is 7.5 degree or 7 degree 30 minutes. Write any three differences between Khadar and Bhangar. Khadar is new alluvial soil, Bhangar is old alluvial soil. Khadar is more fertile, Bhangar is less fertile. Khadar renewed time to time, Bhangar did not renewed. Next is mention any three features of democracy. Write any three features of democracy. In democracy, rulers are elected by the people on their own wish from their respective areas. Power rests or remains with the people who elect the representative. And third point is all the peoples are granted certain rights from the constitution. And one more thing, be careful that from Khadar soil and Bhangar soil, don't write only Khadar is new soil. You write in a sentence, that is Khadar soil is also known as a new alluvial soil, and Bhangar soil is also known as old alluvial soil. And Khadar renewed frequently or time to time with the help of fast flowing river. And the third one is it is found in the areas of delta and floodplains, and also more fertile and helpful for cultivation or agriculture. So try to write the questions answer or attempt the question in proper way. Not only write the point, discuss it also. Come on to the question number 26. Write any 3 points about Indian Constituent Assembly. Indian Constituent Assembly having 389 members at the time of independence, and at the time of partition it have 399 from 389 to 299 members, and 284 members signed on the constitution setup. Next one is Indian Constitution have 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. And Indian constitutions also have fundamental rights, fundamental duties and directive principles of state policy. Next is write the three differences between Kharif and Rabi season. So come on to the point of question number 27. Kharif season, it is from June to the end of October. So Rabi season starts from November to April to May. Kharif required water It means it is a rainy season crop, or Rabi is a winter season, because the month is from November to April, May, or March, April. Example, Kharif crop rice and Rabi crop wheat. Next is question number 28. Differentiate between economic activities and non-economic activities. Economic activities, these are undertaken by the people for earning income. Number 2, these activities added value to the national income. And the third one is example, working in bank, office, institutions, or any constructions or manufacturing industries or factories. Non-economic activities, these activities are undertaken by the people for their self-interest. It means these activities do not add value to the national income. For example, nursing her husband by a nurse, or teaching the children by their father. Next is question number 29. Write any 5 result of French Revolution. फ्रेंच रिवॉल्यूशन का रिजल्ट पूछा गया था. यहाँ पे भी आप लोगों ने मिस्टेक क्या किया, आप लोगों ने फिर से वही काउज लिख दिया जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 में लिखा था. सो बी केयरफुल when you read the questions. So read the question carefully and then think of it and then start writing. First one is absolute monarchy was end up and constituent assembly exist. Number 2, Bourbon dynasty was thrown away. Number 3, equality, liberty, fraternity was existed with constitution. It means people having right to equality, having liberty and fraternity or brotherhood among them. Next is number 4, abolish feudal system and land was redistributed within the small farmer. And number 5 is trade barrier were removed and bread were rationalized. It means all the people get bread at their appropriate price. And next is question number 30. Why do we need constitution? Because it determines the relation of the citizen with the government. It means constitution determines the relation between the citizen and the government. Constitution also lay down the principles and the guidelines or set up the rules and laws for everyone. It specifies how the government elected or how the government work. It means government did not misuse their power. It gives certain rights to the people such as fundamental rights, and also given some duties to the people which is known as fundamental duties. Number 5 is it determines the division or distribution of power within different governments. And next is question number 31. Write any 5 differences between democratic government and non-democratic government. जो democratic होगा non-democratic में जाकर उसका opposite लिखेंगे. So democratic government का first point, it follows the political system of democracy. Number 2, power lies or power remains with the people. Number 3, people choose their right as per their need. It means wherever they need their right, they choose it freely. People elect their rulers or their representative from their respective areas on their own wish without any enforcement, without any force. And next is number 5, example India and USA. So come on to the non-democratic government. It does not follow the policy of democratic setup. Number 2, power remains or lies with the ruler, not remain with the people. Peoples are barred from rights. People do not have fundamental rights. Rulers are elected by their own wish or hereditary. Rulers are not elected by the people. For example, Saudi Arabia. Next is question number 32. Write any 5 differences between latitude and longitude. Latitude is an imaginary horizontal circular line which passes from west to east. Longitude is also an imaginary but vertical line, a vertical semicircular line, not circular, semicircular line which passes from north to south. Latitudes are 181 in numbers with equator. Longitudes are 360. Latitude is also known as parallel. Longitude is also known as meridian. Latitude decide heat zone. Longitude decide time zone. Middle of the latitude is equator and longitude is no any middle. All the lines are known as meridian. That's why we think over it that all the lines is the middle. But the common line is 0 degree longitude as the prime meridian and 180 degree is international date line. Next one is latitude, having some important latitudes such as 0 degree equator, 23.5 degree north, 23.5 degree south, 66.5 degree north, 66.5 degree south, and 90 degree north and 90 degree south. Latitude having some important features. Now longitude, some important longitudes are only two: 0 degree prime meridian and 180 degree international date line. Come on to the question number 33. A port of France related to slave trade. Nantes, center of peasant panic movement. Bordeaux, a place where fortress prison was stormed. So the name of prison is Bastille and the place is Paris, capital of France. Southernmost point of India is Indira Point, a place situated on the three seas, Kanyakumari. It is also known as southern point of India, not southernmost point of India. Southernmost point of India is Kanyakumari and southernmost point of India is Indira Point and southern point of India is Kanyakumari. National Capital Territory or NCR, National Capital Region, it is New Delhi. Okay, so see this video very clearly and try to find out your mistake which you had done at the time of half yearly exam or on the paper of your half yearly exam. Okay, thank you.